I'm kind of like organized chaos in my own brain, and I'm having a hard time figuring out exactly what it is that I want to do. So I think that Renee will help me be able to focus in on specific topics, great networking, and building relationships with people you network with, and this is the type of setting you can do that in. Watching everybody else's light bulb go off, there's creativity, there's innovation, and these people are building their future right in front of your eyes. So this is impacting their bottom line, their business, and their audience.
I came because I knew that there's no other place, no better place to get the knowledge that I need to grow my business and work my business and become the best speaker that I possibly could be. So making sure that I gain the confidence that I need to be able to go out and do that. And Renee instills that in you. She gives us all the tools to do it. She explains it all. She puts it in step-by-step process. It's like a checklist. If she gives us all the secrets of the trade, taking all of that, and I can get to work immediately once I get home. I know that everything I gained is applicable. I'll get home and just continue to fill my funnel.
Figure out what really is my message, that unique view that Renee has been talking about, and really kind of hone in on that and take it to the world. So being able to share that. Everything I'm going to use, every little tidbit from, leaving your business cards on the bathroom floor to thinking about how to add value. I think that's really the biggest thing today, at least, is how do you add that value? How do you not sacrifice who you are, but how do you add more to who you are? I think for me, it's really that behind the scenes business aspect that I'm not really good at, and I'm looking forward to learning more.
I came for Renee's marketing expertise. That's not exactly how my mind works, and I have a passion for speaking. I love public speaking. I love the work that I do. She has very unique and clear-cut steps, and that's what I'm looking for.
We really want to build a business. We really want to expand beyond our region to more national engagements, doing the behind-the-scenes stuff, the business aspect of it, selling her, being able to talk to a client on the phone more effectively, and then what to do with the video aspect of it too, website, and become more, get a YouTube channel going. That stuff's invaluable. How to network, because I don't have a sales background, so for me to be able to sell her, what are the first steps that I do? How do I handle a call with a client? And then from there, how do you seal the deal? How do you close it? How do you take steps to really get the client on your side, to be a cheerleader for you? What are the extra things that you can do, that going the extra mile? The overall picture of the business plan, because I don't know how to write a business plan, so it was important for me to see that and to kind of bring all of this together. Anybody who's looking to grow their business, but just to learn things, even just the social networking aspect of it. I'm not big into social networking, so this taught me how important and vital it is for a business.
I'm excited about learning the business side for speaking, so I feel like I've got a little bit better handle on the actual speaking, but I want to know about the marketing and the behind the scenes and the business side of things, and so learning that as well as learning all the different ins and outs from people that have been doing it a lot longer than myself hopefully will set me apart and kind of put me ahead of the curve. I really feel like I'm on the edge of a cliff getting ready to jump off, and I just need to know what direction to go, that I can go home and just launch myself and launch my speaking career, and so I'm excited to do that as soon as I get home.
There's all kinds of things in my heart that I'm not so sure I can trust, but I like the idea of trust your gut, because there's feelings and sensations there that we're trying to figure out. A lot of it is such review, and I really need that. I need the review. I want to get home and sit on my butt and do some work. If you question what your purpose is in life, and if you question that your passion needs to be shared, you need to come to something like this to learn more about that passion and how to share it.
I came here just to focus on my speaking business. I think I needed that to figure out the uniquely you for myself. So I knew Renee could do that for me. A lot of the back end business end. So I know marketing and I can do marketing, but marketing myself has always been something I just never put on the front burner. So I'll definitely do that. But just the back end details of working with event planners, the contracts, the fee system, I definitely will leave here. I've been already thinking about, what's my action when I leave here, and not just putting things aside, but actually moving on it.
I am looking for more clarity and gaining a better understanding of what the speaking world is about and how to really relay my message to the appropriate audience.
understanding how to tailor it to specific audiences and gaining a better understanding of what I can bring to the table and how to relay that message to appropriate people. Kind of defining who I am, my uniquely you aspect, as well as who I connect the most with and who I would be relatable to.
I was hoping more than anything to really focus myself as a woman who is changing from multiple careers throughout her life to coming up with something new. I have an entire basket of things that I can choose from, and focusing that and directing it toward a market. Just focus my message, focus what I'm doing, put it in a line and get it to march down that road.
But I actually wanted to save money, and by learning from Renee and all the mistakes she made and all the things we learned, it saved me thousands of dollars in the future, both in marketing, in sales, how I find meeting planners, how I do prospecting, and the breadth of knowledge that I gained is worth way more, obviously way more than I've paid to be here, and that's really it for me, is, you know, to save money and actually get ahead of other speakers, or not even that, because we're all kind of a community, but to get that edge and jumpstart it. I've been doing some speaking, but I really wanted to take it to the next level.
I knew it was going to be an amazing weekend of growing my speaking business, growing what I'm passionate about, but what I myself don't know, and what Renee is amazing at. I've just learned so much that I'll be working for weeks on getting these new things, but I know I'll never be the same. I have so many dreams, but knowing now that if I don't have goals, I'm never going to get there. So where we are going to hold ourselves accountable, that will be priceless. How to close a sale and the steps in selling speakers.
Okay, so this group is a dynamic group, bringing everybody that are like-minded with so many creative branches that together we build a community of working together to just make an explosive message that can go to any audience across the nation.
You can't ask for a better group. To connect and to have all these ideas is just amazing.
The amazing thing that you hear everyone say is that how can I know someone for so short a time and yet feel like we're so close, like we're family. And I think that says a lot about her unique ability to pick people that are very connected and that would be very connected.
Being able to have this network is going to be so vital for when I get home.
We all have such commonality. It's a wonderful group.
It was so great to meet different people, like, to be able to connect, to see where they were at, to see what they were speaking about, what different areas they're in, who their clients are, and just to learn about them as people. I think because it's the people aspect that
I get energy from networking. I think that's really important to have a tribe that you trust, and that definitely is this group.
It's great to meet like-minded people and generate that awesome feeling of connectedness and gathering the ideas and the brainstorming. There's so many different mindsets and genres and topics that people speak on, and different age groups that, you know, filling that gap and being able to relate back to that, I think, is really awesome.
Surround yourself with good, positive people that are encouraging and inviting, but yet a little bit critical. So they're not going to let you off the hook. They're going to force you or encourage you to be the best possible you can be. The summit was uniquely set up so that all of us could be teachers, all of us could be students, and all of us could be friends.
The people here are like-minded speakers, and the networking has been great. You know, we're kind of like gonna be support for each other in the future, and we all kind of went through this together, and we all kind of had the same feelings. But overall, I think this was the best knowledge base I could have gained in, you know, leveraging my speaking career and all the knowledge I now have.
The event itself, how to make it more of an experience rather than just my speaking time, that was huge for me. Gained new friends this weekend. I mean, new friends, new people that I can contact if I have questions, new people that are in this industry that we can help each other and that we can work together. Not see each other as competitors, but see each other as being able to collaborate and partner together to make this industry grow and our businesses grow. I want to know the Renee youngin way, and not to reinvent the wheel because I think she pretty much has it down pat. And Renee has a way of making this a learning experience and being fun. She is cutting out hours and days of work, research, and mistakes, so that way people can really save time in the process.
Renee's full of spark, she's full of energy, she's full of so much wisdom. She takes my job and makes it 100 times easier.
Renee is just a wonderful mentor and coach to
A wonderful mentor, and she's just encouraged me to take the next step.
Just full of motivation right now. Like I have a whole list of notes of things that I'm going to do to prepare myself for the next step. So it's just awesome. Renee is amazing. Everybody here is amazing.
I definitely know I can step out and do more with my speaking, so I think that I respect and appreciate the way that she gives back. That's what I want to do. The reason I want to grow my business is to give back.
Is to align myself with people who are very successful, and Renee is an extremely encouraging, successful speaker, and she offered the opportunity to shorten the march, so here I am. She challenged all of us to come up with the uniquely authentic me, or us, or you. And that's still a very tough question, I think, for all of us to be perfectly honest and say who we are, and let that hang out on the stage, let that hang out in our writing, share that in an authentic way with other people.
Renee is awesome. You have to be here.
I walked out of there tonight with so much energy. Like,
take my speaking to the next level.
The experience has been fantastic for me.
You know, no matter where you are at in your speaking business, if you want to take it to the next level, this is where you need to be. Because whether you're just starting out, whether you've been doing it for a while, there's always something that you can take away that will, like I said, kind of kickstart wherever you're at and get you over maybe a hurdle that you're facing and just get you excited to keep going.
To be organized and to really put into practice the things that she has found so valuable, things that she's taken years and years to learn, and giving them to us so we have it right in front of us.
We're really excited to go forward with that and really defining our audience, defining the people that we want to work with, and consolidating that down to 2 or 3 main groups. The Speaker Summit is, I think, for any speaker that really wants to grow, and to be able to connect more with not only not just their business, but with the people that they're working with.
Whether you have a speaking business now or you have a dream of a speaking business, it's time to invest in yourself. If you don't do it now, you're never going to do it. It's a great investment in yourself that'll pay off for your business in the future.
I think anybody could take away something from this.
To come up with the true authentic you is one of the biggest challenges here, but one of the best gifts I take away. It's about speaking and becoming a speaker. But even if you're in the midst of trying to evolve yourself, it might be worth a shot. But mostly people who are aspiring to take what they know, what they feel, what they're passionate about, and convey that to audiences, whether as facilitators, trainers, or speakers, they should be here.
Learning and hearing Renee's stories and her analogies, because I think it was through the stories that helped learn more. Like I'm remembering it better because they were in forms of stories. So that knowledge I feel like it's embedded in my mind and I know what to do because I can just think back to her stories. So really the takeaway would be the stories and the knowledge behind them and how it'll help me develop my stories both for speaking and to market myself as a speaker, as well as just learn more sales and the follow-up and like Renee, get more referrals.
I cannot wait to go home and implement what I've learned. It was amazing. Anybody that wants to grow their speaking business, anybody that wants to be a speaker, anybody that's already speaking and wants to go more national, wants to speak to bigger audiences, you have to be here.
Thanks.